Let me give you a super quick, sneaky way to have your prospect send you money. Jay Abraham said, you have to start giving value before money has changed hands. And then Frank Kern sort of perfectionized that, or put it into better words, for me at least, when he said, the best way to get a prospect to send you money, to become a client, to be on your side, is to actually help them out. Revolutionary thought, I know. But the idea of getting in touch with a prospect, seeing how you could help out, then actually helping out, giving something of free value, makes them much more predisposed to actually become a client. Because now you've demonstrated that you're competent, that you at least know what you're doing. How many times in real life have you given someone money or given someone an assignment, and then he starts doing it and you find out that he absolutely sucks at it? You're not the only one. This happens to all of us. So if someone actually shows you proof of competency, proof that he actually can add something of value to your business, your chances of getting that client go up exponentially. So, sneaky trick, actually give value before you ask for money.